My absolute favorite breakfast is avocado on toast with poached eggs. This would be a great day today for you to lose the fear of how to make poached eggs at home. So stick around. Hi, I'm Monica Chaveniak and I'm here with Fearless Cooking and we're going to do poached eggs. So it is very easy to do poached eggs at home as long as you follow a few rules. Rule number one, you need to have an egg that has been tempered outside from the fridge. So take it out earlier if you keep your eggs in the fridge. And it needs to be kind of room temperature. That's the first thing. And what you do with them is you just crack your eggs into a bowl, gently. We're gonna make 2 eggs here today. That's the other thing. The next thing you're going to need is a pot of water. I am only going to make 2 eggs, so I boiled this water up, which is very important, but once we're ready to put the eggs into it, so we brought the water to a boil, but we're also going to add some vinegar, and this is just plain old white vinegar. You see the water starting to boil here? Just put a couple of drops in it. A lot of people putting salt in. I happen to put both in it. It works for me. I used to have a restaurant in a ski resort where we served hundreds and hundreds of poached eggs a day, so I think we're working on it on how to do it the right way. So I'm going to see the water starting to boil, so I'm going to put this down low. And the other thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to move the water counterclockwise before I put the eggs in. So you just go around like this, get a little action going here, and then just gently drop in the eggs where it's slightly Okay, now we're going to put the second one in very slowly, gently. See how beautiful this one is already? It coagulates. Very heavy word for me, but you know what I mean. It all comes together, and then we're going to give this about 2-3 minutes, but we don't want it boiling. You just want it low, 3-4 minutes depending on what is happening. Now we're going to put our toast on. We got the toast happening, and I got my avocados here. By the way, if you want to know a little bit about avocado, I did a video that I will put down in the description box for you. I like my avocados really thinly sliced, and I don't have to mush it, and I still have some nice pieces that I can bite into it, not the mushy stuff. So I'm going to just do this. Once my toast is ready, I'm going to put that on. My eggs are doing fine, as you can see. Beautiful together. So we're going to give this about 2 more minutes. If you're worried about that it is boiling too much, then just turn it down. You can see how the egg is coming around. Large amount of water is also necessary in order for the egg to swim. Sometimes if you don't put enough water in, then you have the egg yolk kind of sticking out and you need to keep turning your eggs. So give us 1 more minute and we'll do the toast. Eggs are been in there for 3 minutes, so look how beautiful this is. Just put it a little bit, you don't want all the water on it, so be careful. I don't usually put paper towels there, better to have a cloth, then it won't stick that much. Add the avocado on top, the egg on the avocado, and put it a little bit everywhere. I'm not putting any salt on it. Everybody can do that themselves. There's salt in the water already. And again, very gentle. And the next thing, just open it up like this. It's better to see here. And we're doing this one as well. You want it runny. Poached eggs hard is just not the same. Avocado toast with poached eggs in your home, making absolutely beautiful. You can do this every single time. It'll be about 3 to 4 minutes, and who knows, maybe next time you're even going to make a hollandaise sauce for your eggs on toast or for eggs benedict. Stick around. If you enjoyed this session, please subscribe, push a few buttons below, and do come back for my weekly videos. In the meantime, be fearless in your kitchen.